on another Saturday night. She came in holding plastic bags, probably after a fight. Her tired eyes looked right through me like lasers to my soul. Doing laundry at midnight, two hopeless souls. Doing laundry at midnight, who would have known? Doing laundry at midnight, this is how it goes. Doing laundry at midnight, Cupid sure put on a show. Both our fuses blown. She managed a little smile that lit up everything, like stars above the ocean do, that quiet kind of sting. Been burned by love before, those blisters still shone through. Doing laundry at midnight, whoever knew? Doing laundry at midnight, who would have known? Doing laundry at midnight, this is how it goes. Doing laundry at midnight, Cupid sure put on a show. There was something between us that lonely Saturday night, both running from the heartache, tired of the fights. Being alone was our only right. I helped her with her bags and asked her her name. We did crossword puzzles, folded sheets, bitched about the rain. Thought I'd never see her again. Doing laundry at midnight, who would have known? Doing laundry at midnight, this is how it goes. Doing laundry at midnight, Cupid sure put on a show. Doing laundry at midnight, who would have known? Doing laundry at midnight, this is how it goes. Doing laundry at midnight, Cupid sure put on a show. Next week, same time, she walked in again. Said, mind if I wash a load, my friend? I smiled, didn't plan it, but I had hoped. Yeah, didn't plan it, but I'd hoped. Two hearts tumbled in, we were ready to throw in the towel. Don't know how, but somehow love found in a strange place, in a stranger's face. Doing laundry at midnight, same time, same place. Doing laundry at midnight, doing laundry at midnight. Love found in a strange place. Doing laundry at midnight.